Welcome back. Money Magnet here, helping you make money online. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a successful online store on Shopify. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to set up your store and get it up and running. Step 1. Setting up your Shopify account. The first step to starting your online store on Shopify is to set up your account. Go to the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to set up your account and choose a pricing plan that works for you. Shopify offers a variety of plans, ranging from basic to advanced, depending on your needs. Step 2. Choosing your store's design. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to choose the design of your store. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from, many of which are free or low cost. Choose a theme that reflects the personality of your brand and is easy to navigate for your customers. Step 3. Adding your products. The next step is to add your products to your store. Make sure to choose high-quality photos and write clear and concise descriptions for each product. Organize your products into categories to make it easy for your customers to find what they're looking for. Step 4. Setting up payment and shipping options. To make your store functional, you'll need to set up payment and shipping options. Shopify integrates with a variety of payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe. Choose the payment options that work best for you and your customers. You'll also need to set up shipping options, including rates and delivery times. Step 5. Launching your store. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, it's time to launch your store. Make sure to do a final check to ensure that everything is working correctly. You can then start promoting your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic and sales. With the right strategies and tools, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. We hope that this video has been helpful in getting you started on your e-commerce journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on making money online.